You know what time it is.
You try it. Now just grab it and go.
You're rich.
Hey, what's up, cuz?
So today we're washing the vehicle. The Beyond the Grind mobile.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
AKA.
There's a bug in your mouth.
Where? There's no bug in my mouth.
What is
That's
it?
upside down.
I know, that's not filming.
Oh.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're filming the vehicle.
Yeah,
Filming.
we're filming the vehicle.
Okay. Always, that's your thing.
Come on. It's cause it's funny, bro.
Move.
Get out. Do you want some of this?
Yes. Wait, what?
Alright.
Anyways, look, this coronavirus is going crazy. COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. So you know what? Within this, we also have a lot of time.
6 feet apart because we're not contagious.
Those people are speaking the future. I ain't even lying. Anyways, yeah. So coronavirus actually, if you look at it on the plus side, gives you a lot of time to do things that you don't really do
With your
on a
family.
daily basis and with your family. It's beautiful outside, and we haven't cleaned the car in like forever. There's like dust on the interior. That's very bad. It used to be clean all
We
the
got
time.
like brown stuff on the rims. We'll show you.
Yeah. So we got this here.
Got this nice. Hey, bro, let me do it. Let me do it.
Well, we gotta pull it back.
Right there. Look. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
Got some nice merchandise. Okay. See, look. See the
You're gonna
bottom?
break it.
Look. Okay.
So with that said, we're gonna wash the vehicle. We got a lot of time in our hands, so we're gonna do this. You know, Corona also
Bro, his
provides
tires
us.
were stretched.
Are you?
Okay, I'll stop being goofy.
The Corona provides us with a lot of time to do things. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the vehicle, and we got a whole bunch of stuff that we can apply inside, outside, on the rims,
on the
everything.
tires. Shoot, on the little decal we got on our freaking
Everything. So, oh, I saw my pimple, bruh.
nasty. Yeah, but don't mind the crackhead in the background.
Of course. That's what everyone does. They want to act a fool behind the camera and then do nothing.
What?
Oh.
Gotta move your head.
Bro, she was like acting black / I don't know what.
Let's get this going. All right, Trey. So what do? We're gonna reveal the product.
Yeah.
Where you want to do it?
Wait, and it's in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pick up the contents. Let's see what's out of here first. Yeah.
Take a before and after shot.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. No. Let's.
Man, who sharded on our seat, bro?
Oh, that's nasty.
That's how
Hey,
good.
that don't look good.
That's how good.
Hey, we got some little helpers here, Ava and Annika, trying to be a TikTok queen. I don't know what's going on. Hey, Ava, how you doing today? Okay, hold on. Let's get some skin. Woo! Let's focus. All right, so let's see. What do we have here, Trey?
Hydro wipe. Non-sponsored. Alright, it's king size, bro.
King size.
King size. Everything king size.
Yeah.
Everything.
Wax.
Wax.
That's wax, bro.
It says right here. Soap, look it. Spray wax.
It stinks. Somebody put a dead turkey on our trash can.
Soap.
Actually, soap.
Wash plus wax.
Oh, well.
Soap. Interior cleaner. Soap. All-purpose cleaner. I was gonna say something like from my booty crack. Soap. If it's blue, you already know what it is. It's Powerade, okay? Glass cleaner. I think some Negro left his cap.
Oh my goodness.
It doesn't fit. Oh,
Like
that's a
sponge for the soap.
what? Like a sponge.
Interior cleaner. I don't know.
Premium microfiber towel.
I'll take the book.
2-pack. And the awesome invention in here.
Bucket.
Oh, alright, so what this does, is it separates the dirt from the water. Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this. Say GoPro stop recording. So what we doing, dog? We're talking to Annika about she has a flat and we brand the tires and the rims, because we do stuff backwards. Yeah. All right, Ava, go ahead and get the gun ready. Of course, you can get the foam all over. Come on. Let's go. Hey,
What?
you got a stank face. You need to fix it.
Yeah, because that teacher that I knew was staring at
And
me.
Who was it?
So I gave her a dirty look.
Ava, come on,
Oh my
dude.
gosh.
So mean to me.
Get it ready.
That's why you go, hi there, how may I help you?
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Okay, what do we do next?
Wait, stop. It's all falling.
Hurry up, code. Bro, I look like a weirdo.
I didn't want to be
Monica, calm down.
Oh, I was trying to buy you.
I want to wear the GoPro.
No!
Why?
'Cause,
GoPro.
no. Oh! Look, I got her makeup on it.
That's not.
Explain yourself. It is currently the next day after we washed the car, and we're about to do the interior. Trey's actually pulling up right now. Look, 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 look. Big old truck. Hey. So what do you think? You wanna put the camera on the ground over there while I pull up? Or you just want me to go over there?
Or do you want to wait?
Well, we can wait a minute.
Because they have lights here, so.
That too, yeah. Wanna go get a drink? There's.
Yeah, I still gotta put gas in there.
Alright, well, where are we gonna go? Huh? I don't know why you didn't continue.
Huh?
I don't know why you didn't continue.
Sacrifices.
Stop.
So I go get drinks.
Hey, look who it is. I recorded his car a couple days ago. What?
The drinks are what?
Yeah, what you want to drink?
Or his room's always black?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Where?
It's busy around here. We're trying to get some change. I'll pay you back, Mom. So, yeah, it's Corona season out here, and everybody's here. So
I gotta sound like far back.
It's the 50 mil. Here, come here.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Not sponsored.
It was open.
We'll just go ahead. We'll pull the contents out of the interior. What are we using today, sir?
So interior.
We're pulling it forward because we don't want to hog the cleaning area. Because we just gotta clean the interior and we're not vacuuming. Hey, buddy. I don't care if the lift gate's open. Leave me alone, Ford. What? He's tweaking, bro. Why are you tweaking?
I'm not tweaking.
Hello? Huh? The lift gate's ajar, brother. Getting like your face from your, like here up, so.
So interior cleaner. Alright. So washing the interior.
Cause why? Deming is dusty as and we got
dust
to
everywhere.
clean it. Look, go ahead and swipe your finger on it, dog. Hold on.
That didn't prove nothing. You can't see it. I see it though. See the difference?
Take your spit and just go. Oh wait, no, interior cleaner and just go.
For what?
Look at how nasty it is. Does it smell good? Does it smell good?
Alright.
Alright, go ahead, bro. Start it.
Who's mad? You mad cause you broke? Oh, you hear that? It's pound.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy? You mad?
Oh, look at it.
Hey, will this like mess up any electronicals?
No.
So I can like
Maybe squirt the towel.
squirt. Hey,
Should I turn off the car?
yeah, so I don't press any buttons.
Yeah. All right, so while we're cleaning, what are some things we can talk
Let's
about,
talk
man?
some business, all right? So we have the new system going. Every Thursday, we try to upload. We will upload, not try. Excuse my French. And groundbreaking news: our Twitch, Bros Gaming. We now have a Bros Gaming YouTube. So if you're a game fanatic and want to see us lose, go watch us. I think we're pretty entertaining. We have our moments like everybody else.
Yeah.
But it's just Bros Gaming. There's no Bros Gaming squad. It's just me and Drew. So,
All right, yes. And you guys, man, stay tuned for all the content. Everything the brother said is true. We're gonna upload every Thursday. For the most part, if we make a mistake, that's when it's on us to let you guys know what's going on social media, Instagram, Snapchat.
yo, go follow our Snap. Go follow our Instagram.
Go follow that BYTG
_channel.
Okay, BYTG _channel.
Dang, talk about that, cuz.
Oh, I don't even want to show that.
You man.
But yes, go ahead and follow us on those. That's where you guys will. That's where you guys can keep up with the live things that's going on in our life. You know, as you guys know already, this coronavirus is crazy out here. Not too much in Deming. There's only like 6-7 cases. But in other places,
One
man.
case is enough.
I know one case is enough, but in other places, you guys stay safe out there. I know we got people watching us in Alaska, Arizona, Florida. Shout out to my uncle out there. We got people everywhere. So you guys just be safe out there, man. Wear your gloves, your masks. And you know, one thing is that my dad's been keeping up with us and the Lord and all that, and he explains that the Lord states, abide by the world's laws, all right? By man's law, which is like all the laws, you know, no speeding, blah, blah. So if it is told for us to wear masks and wear gloves in certain buildings and you can take it off outside, then do so, okay? Don't be a freaking fool and be like, oh, ain't nobody gonna get sick. Even if your place only has 2 cases, just do as the state says, all right? You guys will do good. You guys will be okay. You ain't gonna be harmed. So yeah, but other than that, man, yeah, we're just cleaning the interior, getting stuff done. Trey's getting the back. Looks like I'm not doing anything, but I am talking to the camera, talking to you guys. Yeah, and then we just came up, like my brother said, a YouTube channel for Bros Gaming, BR0SGAMING. Go check that out. Actually, you know what? I got my phone right here. Let me pull it up. Here, look. Bros Gaming. 34 subscribers already. There's our intro video, and we have 1 video uploaded.
Broggamer 1 and Broggamer 2.
Broggamer gamers. What? I don't know. Yes, it is. The sun's going down right now, but check it out, guys. We're gonna upload on Bros Gaming every Wednesday at 12 noon. Oh, my face squirted this stuff up. And the same thing goes for our Beyond the Grind channel. That's every Thursday at 12 noon. So just keeping you guys updated with that. And how we doing on the stuff, Trey? How we doing?
Can you tell?
Let me see the towel.
Oh. Broggamer stat.
Oh. So yeah.
Looking like I wiped my booty.
That's nasty, bro.
It's not that black, okay, it's green.
What? All right. So we're gonna continue on with this stuff, and we'll be back with you guys in a minute. Steering wheel. Watch it be clean in 0.5 seconds. Woo! Nice and clean. Look at it. Forward. There's a dent there though. All right, time to clean this area because it's gross. Oh snap! It's clean. Wait, got a little bit of it here, but yeah, it's clean. There we go. We cleaned it.
I cleaned that fool.
All right, Trey. So we're gonna end this video.
We're gonna end it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we cleaned the interior, we cleaned the outside. Now, what I need you to do
is go ahead and clean up that subscribe button. I'm just kidding.
Exactly. And get us 5. I know it's a lot. It's a big number. We need 500 subscribers. Our next goal is 500. After 500, we're gonna come up with another goal that y'all need to meet. Now we got some things coming up. We got more content. Yes.
A lot more.
A lot more content. We got Ava. She's gonna come up with some videos, and we're just gonna come up with more videos. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. And we done here. What's our next video?
We'll see, but we're gonna cruise up and down the street or what?
I guess.
Alright. Okay.